The VisionMaster Pro 4K laser projector is a complete home entertainment solution that elevates your viewing experience. It comes with a desktop gimbal stand, HDMI 2.1 cable, and 3D glasses, offering everything needed to create a professional-grade setup in a single package. This projector isn't just functional. It's designed to impress. From the moment you unbox it, the premium design stands out. The sleek exterior, compact form, and quality materials make it both stylish and durable. The desktop gimbal stand allows precise adjustments, ensuring the perfect projection angle every time. It's practical, flexible, and enhances the overall aesthetic of your setup. Performance is where the VisionMaster Pro truly shines. Native 4K resolution paired with advanced laser technology delivers sharp, vivid visuals. With up to 2,500 ANSI lumens of brightness, colors remain vibrant and details remain crisp even in rooms with ambient light. Movies, streaming shows, or gaming, the image quality is consistently immersive and cinematic. Gaming benefits significantly from HDMI 2.1 support. Low latency and smooth frame rates ensure fast-paced games play fluidly without motion blur or lag. Whether connected to a console or PC, the projector transforms gameplay into a large-scale, responsive experience. Audio quality is equally impressive. Equipped with dual high-fidelity speakers and Dolby audio integration, the sound is clear, full, and room-filling. It's also compatible with Bluetooth and external audio systems, giving you flexibility for an enhanced audio setup. Setup is effortless. Connect to Wi-Fi, install streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and YouTube, and enjoy a smart interface that's intuitive and responsive. Voice control makes navigation seamless, while autofocus and auto keystone features ensure a perfectly framed image without manual adjustments. The included 3D glasses deliver an extra layer of entertainment. Watching 3D movies on this projector brings depth and realism, amplified by the projector's wide color gamut and high contrast ratio. Combined with its laser-based display, it's a home theater experience that rivals professional setups. Durability and longevity are key features. The laser light source lasts over 30,000 hours, providing years of consistent brightness and performance without bulb replacements. The cooling system operates quietly and efficiently, making it energy-friendly and unobtrusive during extended viewing sessions. Every aspect of the VisionMaster Pro has been designed for an immersive experience. From visuals and audio to smart functionality and design, it offers a premium solution for movies, streaming, and gaming. It turns any room into a cinematic space without complex installation or additional accessories. For anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup, this projector combines convenience, style, and cutting-edge technology. It provides a cinematic experience, high-quality gaming display, and easy smart functionality in one package. To purchase the VisionMaster Pro 4K laser projector with desktop gimbal stand, HDMI 2.1 cable, and 3D glasses, follow the link in the description to experience superior home theater performance.